In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello account. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, managing tasks, and collaborating with your team. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, setting up an account is straightforward and quick. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option to get Trello for free. Go ahead and click that button. It will set you on the path to create your very own Trello account without any cost involved. Next, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you have access to because you'll need it later for verification. After you've entered your email, click on Sign Up. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker option, you can choose to sign up using your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Selecting any of these will allow you to sign up instantly without entering additional details. Once you've completed the sign up, you'll be welcomed by Trello on their welcome page. Here, just click Next to continue. This will lead you to setting up your first board, which is essentially where the magic happens. Enter a name for your board, a descriptive title that reflects the project you're going to manage, then proceed by clicking Next. After naming your board, it's time to set up your lists. Lists help organize tasks and stages of your project. Common examples could be to do, doing, and done. Label your lists accordingly and click Next to move forward. Now let's populate those lists with cards. Think of cards as individual tasks or items. Add a few card titles to get started. These could be specific steps or tasks related to your board's purpose. Once you've added your cards, click Next. At this point, Trello will prompt you to invite your team members. You can do this by entering their email addresses, or if you're not ready, you can choose to skip this step for now. Afterward, you'll encounter a question. What brings you here today? If your main goal is project management, choose Manage Team Project, or feel free to skip. With your account and board mostly set up, there's one important step left. Go to your email inbox and look for a verification email from Trello. Open that email and click on Verify Your Email. This is crucial as it secures your account and confirms your identity. You'll then be redirected back to Trello, where you're asked to provide your full name and create a password. This information is essential for securing access to your account. Once completed, click Continue, and congratulations, you're done. By now, you've successfully set up your Trello account and are ready to start organizing your projects. Whether you're managing a team or keeping track of personal tasks, Trello's intuitive platform will help you stay on top of everything with ease.